730 asks, why are ride plates so important? He was asking about aftermarket ride plate design. Ride plates can make or break the attitude of the hull. That is how it rests in the water. You know, if you have a ride plate that has a kicked up angle, it could bring that nose up significantly to help you get to a planing surface faster. It can help you create lift right out of the gate, and or you can have a
but there's that fine line,
right? You can have a ride plate that actually buries the nose so that you can get the nose hooked and really kick around a corner. So finding the right ride plate for the application and for the hull, because not all hulls are the same, is absolutely imperative to the performance of the machine.
And like on the runabouts, when we would when I started racing at Aqua X and we had the FCRs, we'd have a plate, for some speed. We'd, find that fine line to where, because you go through so much fuel in one of those races. So by the end of the race, you're trimming down. So what you had at the beginning with all that bow pressure from the weight of the gas, you've lost it by the end of the race. So I think on the FCs, it was a manual trim. Yes. And then we have the ride system now on the Yamahas. So by the end of the race, you would be, trimming down more and more. But if you have something that's too aggressive, it's going to kick you off. You're going to hit a wave and you're going to fly off. So it's just that fine line between wanting to go fast and wanting hookup. And the people that really amaze me are the guys that, and some of them I don't think run ride plates. Is that true? The drag racers, or do they all run ride plates?
I can't imagine it would even operate without it. Because that's your final tracking.
That's where they're sitting on.
I mean, honestly, they're on this much. They're on the water. They're up so high that they're only on the ride plate.
Well, what's crazy is I remember riding. It was the ZXI, when I first went to Kawasaki.
Yeah.
And they were having trouble with that thing stuffing the pump and spitting back and, flipping riders off. And that was only wow, we're going 60 miles an hour or 65. These dudes doing 130 miles an hour. And I don't know how they're doing, how that thing's just working. How is that pump still working? It just seems like there's only a prop in the water.
Yeah. I mean, you got to think of that intake rate is just scuffing enough of that water surface to keep that pump loaded. And I think the only thing touching that water is the ride plate, because you see the footage that comes out of there. That boat is hydroplaning. I mean, it is just
that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's impressive. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.